ticks carry bacteria that cause Lyme disease. Ticks do not get Lyme disease, but they can transfer the bacteria to humans who can get the disease. Which of the following statements best describes the relationships among the bacteria, the ticks, and the humans? So here is a image that we used a lot in class when we talked about symbiotic relationships. So remember, if one organism is benefiting from the relationship, it's happy, it's getting something good, and the other one is killed, that's called predation. When one organism gets something good and the other one is harmed but not killed, that's called parasitism. When both organisms benefit or get something good, that's called mutualism. When one benefits and one is unaffected, so it's not happy or sad, it wasn't helped or hurt, it's just kind of there, that's called commensalism. And then this image is showing competition, so organisms competing over resources. They both want the same thing, they're fighting over it. So let's go back up and read about ticks and bacteria first and figure out their type of relationship. So it says ticks carry the bacteria that cause Lyme disease, but the ticks don't get Lyme disease. So the ticks don't get sick even though they're carrying the bacteria. So the bacteria basically is getting a free ride. It's like having someone drive you around in the car. Okay, so the bacteria are getting a free ride. So that's good for them. The ticks do not get Lyme disease. So the ticks don't get sick. So for the ticks, they're not helped. They're also not hurt. So the bacteria is getting something good. They're getting the free ride. The ticks aren't affected at all. Okay, they've got the bacteria traveling on them, but they're just kind of there. Okay, now when we look at this next part, so they can transfer the bacteria to humans who can get the disease. So for the tick, in this case, it's carrying that bacteria to the humans who can get the disease. So the ticks go to the humans to basically get a free meal, so that's going to be good for them. But humans get the disease, humans get sick. So that's going to be a sad face for them. They're being harmed. Okay, now it doesn't say anything about them being killed. The humans aren't dying from this, but they are getting harmed. Okay, so now that we've brainstormed the faces for our relationships, we should be able to go through, use this chart, and pick the best correct answer.